In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix card not working on Dhgate. If your payment keeps failing, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get it through successfully and safely. Start by carefully reviewing your card details on the checkout page. Make sure the card number, expiry date, and CVV are entered exactly as shown on your card. Your cardholder name must match your bank's records, and the billing address, including the zip or postal code, needs to be identical to what your bank has on file. Even a small typo or an outdated address can cause an instant decline. Next, check with your bank or in your banking app that international transactions and online or e-commerce payments are enabled. Ask if there's any temporary security block on the card and request that they approve or whitelist Dhgate. It helps to mention the approximate amount and that the purchase is from an overseas merchant, so their fraud system knows to expect it. Make sure you're not using a VPN or proxy. Pay from a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection and stick to one device and one location during checkout. Rapid IP or device changes can trigger Dhgate's fraud filters. If you've tried multiple times already, pause and wait 12 to 24 hours before trying again. Too many rapid attempts can look risky to payment gateways. After the wait, try once, slowly and carefully. If you have another card, switch to a major bank debit or credit card. Avoid prepaid cards, gift cards, and many virtual cards which are often blocked by international merchants. If available in your region, PayPal is usually the most reliable fix. Choose PayPal at checkout, link your card inside PayPal if you haven't already, and complete the payment there. PayPal's own verification can smooth out bank declines. Just review any currency conversion fees before confirming. Consider your order size and account age. New accounts are more likely to be flagged for large or bulk purchases. Start with a small order, complete it successfully, and let the account establish a positive history before placing bigger orders. If Dhgate asks for payment verification, check your email, including spam, for their message. Upload only what they request on official Dhgate pages, such as an ID if asked, and card proof with the middle digits covered and only the last four visible. Never send documents via random links or chats. If it still won't go through, contact Dhgate's Help Center, choose Payment Issue, and submit a ticket with a clear screenshot of the error, your order number, and your card type, like Visa or MasterCard. Expect a response within 1 to 3 business days and monitor your inbox and Dhgate messages for updates.